Okay, welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'll be teaching us how to design a logo in a simple form, very simple and easy way. Okay, without wasting our time, let's start. But before we start, please, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please help me and click the subscribe button below. Thank you so much. Okay, let's start. First of all, you open your Illustrator. I just pick the size A4 size, something like this. A4 size. First thing I'll do, just go to your line, choose you draw like this. You hold down your shift button, your shift key, so that the line will be very straight. Okay, something like this. Let me zoom in so that we can see it very well. Then how to duplicate? You hold down your Alt key, then you duplicate it. Yeah, like this. Control D to duplicate more. So we are duplicating 5 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything making 6. Yeah, 6. Okay, the next thing to go and pick our tools. Now we still draw the same thing on your sheet so that the cycle will be perfect. Place it here. Please make sure the thing lap with the line, the cycle lap with the line. And you duplicate still. Okay. Control C, Control F to duplicate, copy, and you duplicate, then your shift key and Alt together. Yeah, like this. Then you copy the both and duplicate too. This, like this. Can we all see? Yeah. Okay. Let me shift this one. Kind of like this. This place. We can see we are almost done. Yeah, so let's say we are almost done. We are done. So the next thing, you select everything. Select everything. No, it's still remaining one process. So you pick this two, this same one, you copy it, and you rotate it. Rotate it 120. You can see 120. Yeah. Can we all see what I'm doing? Oh, yes. Let's use 114 or 115. Let's just use 115. Let's use 114. 114 will be okay. Yeah, 114. Like this. Then we duplicate. Hope we still remember the size used for these two. So we are picking up these two now so that we will have a perfect shape. So what is the size again? Duplicate. That 114. Sorry. 7. Yeah, 7. We have 7. Okay. Next thing we'll do, we'll still add another extra. Make it like this. Sorry. Yeah, perfect. Hope we are following. Easy. Think we are almost done. So sometimes I do duplicate. Let's just duplicate it in case there's an error, we need to start afresh. So we'll duplicate the same thing here. So this is what we are working with. The next step is pick your shape builder tools. Zoom in so that you can see what you are doing there. So we have it like this. We have it like this. So pick the color. Can you pick the color? You can see. Select here. We already have. Then you select here. Sorry. Select these two. Join them to be that making E. That's our E. We are making logo of ED. Yeah. So the next step is come here. We want to create our own beach. Come here. Come here. Yes. Join this place together. Try and zoom in so that your curve will be very fine and your shape will be very okay. Yeah, like I said earlier, I say it's very simple. We are done. Like this. Just copy it out. Copy it out. This is our logo. Fine and very simple and short. Please, if you have any question regarding this, please send me a comment below so that I can tell you the procedure. Or if you are confused on how we get it, please comment below.